Good day. Ngayong araw ay susubukan nating sagutin ang ikasampung tanong sa nakaraang pagsusulit sa Bugasya itong taon na 2024. Ito po ang tanong. Political Film Production PFP conceptualized a mockumentary called COVID UBDAP, quote unquote, which will detail the poor government response during the pandemic. The Department of Health DOH Secretary was scared that he would be portrayed as a lazy and incompetent public officers. Thus, the DOH Secretary warned PFP that he would not approve the use or exhibition of his name or image in the film. Nevertheless, PFP began the production of the mockumentary and used the name and image of the DOH Secretary. Aggrieved, the DOH Secretary applied for injunction against PFP, invoking his right to privacy. Is there a violation of the DOH Secretary's right to privacy? Explain. So that's the question. So we are going to give the answer. So my answer, suggested answer, no, there is no violation in right of privacy. Section 3 of Article 3 of the 1987 Constitution state 1. The privacy of communication and correspondence shall be inviolable except upon lawful order of the court or when public safety or order required otherwise as prescribed by law. Any evidence obtained in violation of this or the preceding section shall be inadmissible for any purpose in any proceeding. Further, Section 1 of Article 3 of 1987 Constitution states, no person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor shall any person be denied the equal protection of the laws. Secondly, Section 2 of Article 3 of 1987 Constitution states the right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable seizure of whatever nature and for any purpose shall be inviolable, and no search warrant or warrant of arrest shall issue except upon probable cause to be determined personally by the judge after examination under oath or affirmation of the complainant and the witnesses he may produce, and particularly describing the place to be searched and the persons or things to be seized. The right to privacy is not absolute. A limited intrusion into a person's privacy has long been regarded as permissible where that person is a public figure and the information sought to be elicited from him as to be published about him constitute of a public interest. The intent sought to be protected by the right of privacy is the right to be free from unwarranted publicity from the wrongful publicizing of the private affairs and activities of an individual which are outside the realm of legitimate public concern. Ayer Productions Pty Limited versus Kapulong. GR number 80380, April 29, 1988. So that's the answer. I hope that we got the correct answer. So anyway, so we must think that in answers, the one that must be given heavier weight must be the suggested answer than the alternate answer. So thank you, good day, and God bless.